hundreds of millions more Hindus who have been raped, who have been forced to flee, who have been tortured, who have been forced to convert to Abrahamic religions. And all this began with the Islamic invaders. Roughly the 11th century is when they were really giving it some. And their main mode of destruction, it was and of genocide, was physical destruction. It was killing, it was raping, it was destroying temples, it was burning down libraries. So a lot of destruction actually you can see today still in Bharat with your own eyes. And when people are researching these eras of Hindu history, you only have to look at the records of the perpetrators to get the figures, to understand the extent of all of this genocide and destruction. So many of the Islamic invaders, their own secretaries, Muslim chroniclers, they themselves are the sources of these numbers. So for example, the Islamic conqueror Timur boasts in the records of killing 100,000 Hindus in a single day. Or the Bahmani sultans, who make the record that they have a target of killing 100,000 Hindus a year, spanning a roughly 200-year period. And there are so many of these examples. The Hindu Kush mountains, which span Afghanistan and Pakistan, they're called Hindu Kush because Kush means slaughter. It's the mountains of the Hindu slaughter. And there are descriptions of there being such a rapid extermination of Hindus there that literally Hindu blood would flow down the mountains. So the extent of the genocide in these periods caused by these Islamic invaders, it's completely undeniable, and it's very, very massive.